Hello everyone, welcome back in today's class. Students, we have done 9.2, 1 and 2 question we have discussed in the previous video. Today we are supposed to do question number 3 and 4 of this same exercise. Okay, let us begin with question number 3. Find the product. And product means we all know what is mean by product. Product means multiplication, or we can say multiply. Let us see its first question. 9 by 2 multiply by minus 7 by 4. If numerator and denominator are being cut by a single table, we can cut, otherwise we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. See, 7 is not able to cut by 2 or 8, 2 or 4. Similarly, 9 is not able to cut by 2 or 4, so we will multiply the numerator. 9 7s are 63 and 2 4s are 8. Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. I got 8. And if one is with negative sign, the answer will be negative. Okay, let us see second part of it. Second part says 3 by 10 multiply by minus 9. Student, if we do not have denominator like this part, we can make denominator 1. Okay, then we will try if numerator and denominator are being cut by a single table. If they are able to cut, we will cut, otherwise we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Multiply 3 9s are 27, divide by 10. Do you know why I wrote minus sign here? Because 1 is with negative sign, so answer will be negative. So this was question number 1 and 2, part 1 and 2 of question number 3. Third question, minus 6 by 5 multiply by 9 by 11. Same, we will see whether they are able to cut, but it doesn't seem that 6 is not able to cut by 5 or 11. Same way 9, we will multiply 9 6 are 54 and 11 5s are 55, and if 1 is negative, our answer will be negative. I hope you are getting. Okay, be with me here. Next is 3 by 7 multiply by minus 2 by 5. Here also 2 is not able to cut by 7, 2 is not able to cut by 5. Same, 3 is not able to cut by 7 or 5. We will multiply the numerator 6 and we will multiply the denominator 35. If 1 is negative, I will put a minus sign here. Okay, fifth part of it, 3 by 11 multiply by 2 by 5. Same, almost same question. No cutting and all. Multiply the numerator 6 by 55 will be the answer. Both are positive, answer will be positive. Sixth part of it and the last part of it, that is 3 by minus 5 multiply by minus 5 divided by 3. First of all, this negative sign will be cancelled. Negative and negative sign will be cancelled. Here this 3 and 3 can be cancelled by the table of 3. At first place, 5 will be cut. These two 5 will be coming in the table of 5, so we can cancel them also. And nothing is left. What is left? 1 by 1, and 1 by 1 will become our answer 1. I hope you got it. And let us see fourth question of this. Here we have to find the value of whose value we have to find out. Minus 4 divided by 2 by 3. Dear student, we need to understand one thing. Unlike हमारे पास जब सिंपल क्वेश्चंस होते हैं तो डिवीज़न हमारे लिए बहुत ईजी है. अगर यहाँ पे सिर्फ इतना होता, इफ़ यू हैव टू डिवाइड माइनस 4 by 2, इट इज़ क्वाइट ईजी फॉर अस टू डिवाइड. But if we are dividing any integer with a rational number, so there is one simple method. First number will remain the same, and the number, this division sign will be converted into multiplication sign, and the number after the sign will get reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So what is the method? Division sign will be converted into multiplication and the number after division sign will get reciprocal. 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. Now we can cancel them. If nothing is there with as denominator, we can put 1. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja minus 4, 2 2 ja 4. Now we can multiply 2 3 ja 6, and if 1 minus sign is there, we will put minus sign with the answer also. I hope you all are getting it. Now see second part of it. Second part of it, minus 3 by 5 divided by 2. Okay, we will make it as 1. So minus 3 by 5 will remain as same. Division sign will be converted into multiplication, and 2 by 1 will be reciprocal and it will become 1 by 2. Nothing is being cancelled. We will multiply 3 ones are 3 and 5 twos are 10. This will be the answer. Third part of it, let us see. Minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3. Nothing is as denominator. We will make 1. Minus 4 by 5 will remain same. Division sign will be converting into multiplication and this will get reciprocal. Minus and minus sign will be cancelled. Nothing is being cancelled, so we will multiply 4 ones are 4, 5 threes are 15 will be the answer. Fourth part of it. Fourth part says minus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. So minus 1 by 8, there is no change in the first fraction. Division will be converted into multiplication, but there will be change here. Here it will be 4 by 3. Now see 4 and 8. They are coming in a table of 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. No further cutting. 1 multiply by 1 1. 2 multiply by 3 6. 1 is negative. Answer will be negative. Fine. Next question. Next part of this. Fifth part of this. Fifth part says 2 minus 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. Minus 2 by 13. There is no change in that. Division will be converted into multiplication. 1 by 7 will become 7 by 1. No further cutting. Multiply numerators. Minus 14 multiply denominator, that is 3. Sixth part of it. Minus 7 by 12 divided by minus 2 by 13. What we will do? First will remain the same. Division will be converted into multiplication. It will get reciprocal. It will become 13 by minus 2. Minus and minus sign will be cancelled. No further cutting. Multiply numerators. 91. 13 7 are 91. 12 2 are 24 will be your answer. Last part of this question as well as of this chapter. 3 by 13 divided by minus 4 by 65. 3 by 13, there is no change. Division will be converted into multiplication and it will become 65 by minus 4. Here this 13 and 65, they can be cancelled by the table of 13. 13 1s are 13, 13 5s are 65. Fine. No further cutting. Multiply the numerator. 5 3s are 15 divided by minus 4. This can be your answer. Otherwise, if you want to shift this sign with the numerator, you can write this answer also. This sign of denominator can go with the numerator also. This will become your answer. So this is the complete exercise we have solved. Many of the students have solved it even along with me. I know that you are quite faster than me in the calculation and all. So student, if you really like the video, please do not forget to press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for my motivation. We will meet in the next video with the new chapter. Till then, you just take care of yourself and goodbye.